You are watching FX1 tutorial. Learn foam effect the easy way. Foam is a built-in simulation tool used to generate, clump, bounce, and pop realistic bubbles and frothy liquids. It is commonly used for applying bubbles to liquid elements such as alcohol, ocean waves, boiling water, or soda fizz. To start, create a new solid layer. After that, under Simulation, apply Foam. Set View to Rendered. Move a few frames to render the bubbles. Use Producer Point to change the central point of the bubbles. Use Producer X and Y, Size to change bubble positions. Use Production Rate to increase the bubbles. Use the Physics tab to change the bubble's physical properties. That'll be all for today's tutorial. Thank you, and subscribe if you want to learn more about simulation effects in Adobe After Effects.